Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality video on TikTok Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. Click on that and you need to update TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open TikTok. So once you open TikTok, you simply need to upload a video. Click on uploads. I'm going in my video and I'm going to select this video, for example. Okay, and then you simply need to click on next and click on more options, and here you can see allow high quality uploads. Higher quality videos may take longer to process. You simply need to turn this feature on from here. Okay, then you need to go back and post that video. So this is the process by which you can upload high quality videos on TikTok on your Android smartphone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.